Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check battery above 20% and plug in if not. Once done, note recent app installs or updates because they often trigger safe mode. Press and hold the power button for 8 to 12 seconds to bring up the restart options. This forces the device into the software menu rather than hardware-only restart. If you see power off and restart, tap and hold power off to reveal safe mode exit. This gives you the option to attempt a normal restart without removed apps. Once your phone is back on, check if it still boots into safe mode. If it does, go to Settings then Apps. You want to sort by recent installs or battery use to find culprits. Uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps one at a time. Reboot after each removal to see if safe mode clears. Also clear cache for core apps because corrupted cache can force safe mode. Make sure to reboot normally between steps, since changes only take full effect after a restart. If uninstalling apps fails, do a soft reset first. This resets runtime without data loss. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears software triggers for safe mode. Before resetting, inspect and clean the power and volume buttons. Physical sticking can simulate long presses that force safe mode. Once fixed, reinstall apps selectively, testing after each one. This prevents reintroducing the offender. If it still boots to safe mode, contact the manufacturer. There may be deeper firmware or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.